How to add a website link to your LinkedIn profile. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily do that. First thing you want to do is open up LinkedIn and head over to your profile. So I'll just click on it and then click on View Profile. Once you have your profile over here, it is best that you have verified your account. So what you basically need to do is scan this on your phone, scan the QR code, follow the steps on your phone to verify. But I'll just quickly go back and show you how you can add a website link. So right here, you can edit your profile by clicking on the profile icon. You'll add your current position, your education, and contact info. So if you want to edit your contact info, you can add your URL over here. This is going to be your profile URL. And if you want to add a link or an external link, now under your contact info, you can add a website. Click on Add Website, just enter your URL. For now, I'll just go ahead and add my Facebook profile over here. All right, so let me just quickly head over to my profile, and I'm able to copy this URL, go over here, paste the link, and then tap on Save. Now my profile URL will be shown on my LinkedIn profile as well. So if I just reload the page and then go down to my contact info, I'm able to see this website link right here as well. And that's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.